Hi students, welcome to plus 1 computer class. So we are discussing about universal gates. In the previous video we already seen how we are implementing basic gates using NAND gate, NOT gate using NAND, OR gate using NAND and also AND gate using NAND. So the circuit diagram, algebraic proof, everything we discussed in the previous video. So in this video we are going to discuss our second universal gate. What is our second universal gate? NOR gate. Implementation of basic gates using NOR gate. Second one, NOT gate using NOR and AND gate using NOR, and last one is OR gate using NOR. Okay, so these are the three implementations that we are going to discuss in this video. So we will start with NOT gate. So universal gate NOR. We are going to represent NOT gate using NOR. NOT gate using NOR. So you know, NOR gate is a universal gate. Why NOR gate is known as universal gate? Because using NOR gate we can implement all the other basic gates. We will start with NOT gate. So you know what is the expression after NOT gate? After NOT gate we are getting its complement. A dot A, converting it into A complement. You know, after NOR gate we are getting A plus B all complement. That we are going to convert it into A complement. So first NOT gate using NOR gate. So how we are getting NOT gate? A. Two inputs I am using A and A. After NOR gate. After NOR gate what will be the answer? A plus A all complement. You know, A plus A is equal to A itself. A plus A is equal to A. So we can write A plus A all complement is equal to A complement. A plus A all complement is equal to A complement. Algebraic proof we can write like this. A NOR A is equal to A NOR A is equal to A plus A all complement. A plus A all complement we can write like A complement. Since A plus A is equal to A itself. A plus A is equal to A itself. Then truth table also we can draw to check whether A plus A all complement and all complement, these are correct or not. Algebraic proof is good. Instead of truth table, which one is most efficient for proving this? Algebraic proof. A NOR A is equal to A plus A all complement. A plus A is equal to A, so we will get A complement. So A complement means it is equal to NOT gate. So we can implement NOT gate using NOR gate. I think it is clear. We can implement NOT gate using NOR gate. So first basic gates we implemented using NOR. Then second basic gates. NOT gate we implemented. So next I am going to implement AND OR gate using NOR gate. Okay, no other gates I am using, only NOR gate I am using for implementing OR gate. So you know, after OR operation, if A and B are two Boolean variable, after OR operation what will be the result? A plus B. After OR gate we are getting A plus B. But after NOR gate what we are getting? A plus B all complement. So A plus B all complement we are converting it into A complement. For that A and B are two Boolean variable. First I am applying NOR gate. NOR gate. After NOR gate what will be the result? A plus B all complement. A plus B all complement. Then I am splitting the same input line into two. A plus B all complement, A plus B all complement. And again I am drawing one more NOR gate. one more NOR gate. After NOT gate, what will be the answer? A plus B all complement plus A plus B all complement, all complement. Okay, what will be the answer? A plus B, because two input. Instead of A and B, what is the inputs? A plus B all complement, A plus B all complement. Then you know x plus x is equal to x. If two inputs are same, then we are adding that two inputs, we will get same input as a result. So A plus B all complement plus A plus B all complement, that is equal to A plus B itself. So what will be the answer? A plus B double complement. So what will be the answer? A plus B double complement. A plus B double, according to involution law, x double complement is equal to x itself. So A plus B double complement is equal to A plus B. So what will be the final answer? A plus B. According to involution law, x double complement is equal to x itself. Okay, so hence theorem proved A plus B double complement is equal to A plus B. So we can write the algebraic proof. Algebraic proof. Okay, according to algebraic proof, what does the first statement indicate? What is this? A nor B. A nor B. A plus B all complement means A nor B. So we can write like this. A nor B. Nor A nor B. Okay. First input, second input, we are applying NOR gate. So what will be the answer after this? A plus B complement plus A plus B complement, all complement. A plus B complement, then that we can write like this. A plus B all complement. Since A plus A is equal to A itself. Okay, from where did we get that? A plus B. A plus A is equal to A itself. Then next we are applying involution law. You know, according to involution law, x double complement. X double complement is equal to x itself. So we can write like this. A plus B. A double complement is equal to. So we can write, since A double complement is equal to A plus B double complement is equal to A plus B. So hence we can represent OR gate using NOR gate. So this is the algebraic proof and this is the circuit diagram. So first we are applying NOR gate. After NOR operation, what we will get? A plus B all complement. So A plus B all complement, we are splitting it to two lines, and again one more time we are applying NOR operation. Then we will get A plus B all complement plus A plus B all complement, all complement. Then you know A plus A is equal to A. According to idempotence law, x plus x is equal to x itself. So A plus B double complement. Then second one, according to involution law, A double complement is equal to A. So A plus B double complement is equal to A plus B itself. Clear? So this is NOR gate. How we are implementing OR gate using NOR gate. Then one more is the last one. What is it? AND gate. How we are representing AND gate using NOR gate. How we are representing AND gate using NOR gate. Then after AND operation, if A and B are two Boolean variable, after AND operation we will get A dot B. After AND operation we will get A dot B. But here it is NOR gate. NOR gate means what is its symbol? Plus. AND operation symbol, what is its symbol? dot. So you know De Morgan's theorems. In De Morgan's theorem, complementary sum of two Boolean variable is equal to sum of their individual complement. So only in De Morgan's theorem we are changing the operation plus into dot and dot into plus. So we can apply De Morgan's theorem. So you want to make De Morgan's theorem using circuits or using NOR gate. So how we are implementing OR operation or how we are implementing AND operation using NOR. Okay, for implementing this you want to get the complements. That means first we are converting A into A complement and B into B complement and then all complement. First A. Two inputs A NOR A. After A NOR A, what will be the result? A plus A all complement. Then here B. Again one more time we are applying NOR gate. Then we are getting B plus B all complement. Okay, here it is not connected. Okay, both of them it's not connected. Okay, A plus A all complement and B plus B all complement. A plus A all complement is equal to A complement. B plus B all complement is equal to B complement. Then one more time I am going to draw NOR gate. So what will be the inputs? A complement, B complement. Then what will be the result? A complement plus B complement all complement. What will be the result? A complement plus B complement all complement. So here I am going to apply De Morgan's theorem. So according to De Morgan's theorem, complementary sum of two Boolean variable is equal to product of their individual complements. So we can write like this. What will be the answer? A double complement dot B double complement. A double complement dot B double complement. According to involution law, A double complement equal to A and B double complement equal to B. So we can write like this. A dot B. What will be the answer? A dot B. What does A dot B indicate? A and B. So we can represent. What is the answer after AND gate? A dot B. Here also we are getting A dot B as answer. So using NOR gate we can implement AND gate. Using NOR gate we can implement AND gate. Next one is algebraic proof. Next, algebraic proof. According to algebraic proof, first you want to write how we are getting A complement. A NOR A is equal to A plus A all complement, that is equal to A complement. Then B NOR B is equal to B plus B all complement, that is equal to B complement. Then we can write like that. A NOR A NOR B NOR B. So we already know what is A NOR A. What is A NOR A? A complement. Then what is B NOR B? B complement plus all complement. A complement plus B complement all complement. So we know that A double complement plus B, A double complement dot B double complement. From where did we get this? A plus B all complement is equal to A complement dot B complement according to De Morgan's theorem. Then A double complement is equal to A and B double complement is equal to B. What is it? A double complement is equal to A. B double complement is equal to B itself according to involution. So hence theorem proved. A dot B. So using NOR gate we can represent A dot B. Using NOR gate we can represent A dot B. So hence this three basic gates starting from NOT and NOR and NOT and OR. These three basic gates we can implement using NAND gate. Look at this example. Is there any other gates I am using this circuit diagram for implementing AND gate? Only NOR gate I am using. Okay, so if you get a question, why NOR gate is known as universal gate? Why NOR gate is known as universal gate? So we can write, using NOR gate we can implement all the other three basic gates. Then definitely you want to write the example. Example means this three basic gates implementation you want to write circuit diagram and also algebraic proof. Very, very important question. If you get a question as in 3 mark question, first sentence, you can write only one sentence. No, if you write one sentence, you will get only half mark. The remaining mark is for implementation and also algebraic proof. It's very, very important question. 2 universal gates and implementation of that 2 universal gate. NAND gate and also NOR gate. Okay, I think it is clear because if you know first implementation step, steps are quite similar. Okay, first method and second method both are similar but the operations are different. So if you study this, then you can easily write. You no need to by heart. If you know the method, then you can easily draw the circuit diagram. Okay, so again we will revise the topics that we studied in this video. What is it? Implementation of basic gates using NOR gate. NOR gate is an example for universal gate. So using NOR gate we can implement NOT gate, then AND gate and also OR gate. So these three basic gates we can implement using NOR gate. So I think it is clear. Everything I explained in the board itself. First is circuit diagram and then algebraic proof. Only the important algebraic proof statement I written. Then you want to study 2 laws. Involution law. What is involution law? X double complement or A double complement is equal to A itself. Then idempotence law. A plus A is equal to A itself. A dot A is equal to A itself. These 2 laws I am applying here and also De Morgan's theorem. First theorem and also second theorem I am applying. Okay, according to that we are getting the result. I think it is clear. The implementation steps. Then you want to write one question in your notebook, that is, prove that NOR gate is a universal gate by implementing all the basic gates. Okay, if you get a question like this, what do you want to write? First you want to write basic. Prove that NOR gate is a universal gate. How we can prove? Using NOR gate we can implement all the 3 basic gates. So first starting with NOT gate. First sentence, NOT gate using NOR gate and then draw the diagram and then algebraic proof. After that second one is OR gate using NOR gate. Then circuit diagram, algebraic proof. Last one, AND gate using NOR gate, circuit diagram and then algebraic proof. Okay, so in step by step manner you want to write the answer. Okay, so hope you understood the implementation of all these 3 basic gates using NOR gate. The remaining section we will discuss in the next video. Okay then, thank you.